What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kia, and I'm back at it again with another video. And we have a unit from Amanda Hair. She is a 99J straight unit, and she is 22 inches, if I'm not mistaken. And she is also a T-part wig. And let me show you how we gonna get into it real quick, okay? I cut the perfect layers in her. And I did it with a razor comb. I've shown y'all so many times how I cut layers, so I'm not going to keep showing you the same thing. But you know what I love to do when I cut layers? It's essential is that I got to curl her up real cute. So I'm going to use my Hot Tools. I think this is an 1.5 inch curling iron. And we're going to do some pin curls in her super quick. The hair curled beautifully, as you can see from the beginning of the video. I would also like to add that I didn't even use any product in the hair. Sometimes when I do get pre-colored wigs, the hair doesn't hold a curl, but this held this curl perfectly, and I didn't even need to add no heat or anything. And I even went to sleep on these curls, and I still was bomb the next day. You need to make sure that when you are pin curling your hair that it is completely cooled down and it's not warm when you are taking your pin curls out, because that's going to instill the curls and they're going to last a lot longer. This is what she looks like with all my pin curls. I don't know why I think this is so cute. And then we're going to just take them all out. And as you can see, these curls, child. I'm not going to keep saying curls, but y'all. Now it's time for the install. So I've cut the lace off already. And since it's a T-part wig, there's not a lot of lace on her. So the install process is that much easier. We're going to do the same thing, the got to be method and baby hairs. We're not even done yet, but you can't tell me these curls and this color, girl. The curls, the color, and the cut. Who's better? And of course, I'm using my Got To Be gel to lay my baby hairs because I'm going to have this wig on for a couple days. And just like that, we are done. So thank you so much to Amanda Hair for sending me this wig. It was so cute. And of course, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Please let them know Kiamani sent you if you do decide to try this wig. And let me know how you like it. I'll see you in my next one, y'all. Bye.